Good day. We are the Group 3 and our group was tasked to make a traffic light emulator for a T-type street junction. In a T-type street junction, there are 3 traffic lights. When you run the simulation for our circuit, the 7-segment display starts counting down from 9 to 0 with all the traffic lights on red. I will now pass you to Vince Retutal for the explanation of our circuit.
As seen in our circuit, we constructed a clock signal in a decade counter. The purpose of this is to display the number of seconds before the traffic light changes to green, yellow, or red. The component we used for the up-down BCD decade counter is the 74LS182. To display the digits from the BCD to 7 segments, a 74LS48 decoder was used. Next, we constructed the detector block. There are 4 different detectors: 0 in 1's place detector, 1 in 1's place detector, 0 in 1 and 10's place detector, and lastly, the 9-1 in 1's place detector. These 4 operate by allowing and blocking signals depending on the BCD values detected from the counter. Moving on to the shift register. The shift register was constructed to the use of flip-flops and a multiplexer. The components used for the flip-flop is the 74LS74, while for the multiplexer, a 74LS157 was used. The flip-flops are the ones receiving the signals from the counter when it reaches 0, and then it gives it back to the multiplexer. The multiplexer sets which flip-flop to turn on through the help of the logic gate. The logic gate was constructed using a 74LS32 OR gate and a 74LS04 NOT gate. The logic gate detects whether one or none of the inputs are on. The signal is then passed to the detector block when it is high. The main output for our task is the traffic light. It displays the 3 traffic light colors, which are red, yellow, and green, that indicate the stop, slow down, and go signals. We use the traffic light component for this block. The components are constructed with the 74LS08 AND gate to make sure that no 2 LEDs are on the same traffic light. Lastly, the main input for our task is the reset button. The reset button sets the signal to high for the reset pins of the ICs. It is constructed using a simple switch and an inverter gate circuit.